I carve my face from broken stone in a theater long turned to bone. Dust fell down like falling applause. Every echo whispered what I lost. I stitched the cracks with trembling hands and kissed the dust like it could stand. And I breathed into what's already dead. It answers softly inside my head. I don't create to be seen or praised. I build the ruins where my soul was raised. If the mask must break, let it break in my name. 'Cause even a fall can set the heart aflame. Seven breaths and the clay starts to grin. Its voice like mine but soaked in sin. It said you worked too long for hollow kings and left beneath my shivering skin. So I wore that smile though it burned my breath, and danced with ghosts that envy death. The dust became my crown again. Each scar a sermon carved in pain. I don't create to be seen or praised. I build the ruins where my soul was raised. If the mask must break, let it break in my even a fall can set the heart aflame. I breathe and the mask breathes back. Two faces sharing the same collapse. If I've been behind my heart, then let it be the truest part. I don't carve for glory's sake. I carve so something still can ache. If the mask must crack, let it crack through me, so the world remembers what dared to bleed. He lived in a house, I forgot its name, where the walls still whisper through the rain. Every night he struck a flame, feeding ghosts the words he never sent. Ashes dance like a lullaby, falling slow through hollow skies. And the fire-spoken tongues of grace, of love that never found its way. He burned the letters not couldn't say. Watch your soul turn into clay. Ashes change their flight, turning to a hand in light. He reached to touch that fleeting sign, but found the black mark across his line. Still he smiled beneath the dust, as if the pain had learned to trust. And every ember he saw a face, a memory too warm to erase. He burned the letters not to forget, but to see if the smoke could reach regret through the chimney cracked and torn apart. Back to where they start, the man who burned what he couldn't say, and let the fire show him the way. Now the chimney breathes without flame, calling softly his silent name. And though the world forgot his prayer, the wind still carried the smoke somewhere. To see if love could live through death, he built a sky from what was gone, and proved the dead can still burn on. The man who burned beneath the night and turned his loss into light. I found a song still caught in the wind, drifting through the red where our nights had been. The bar's long dead, but the ghost still hum. I hear a name in the beat of the drum. Took a frame and a thread made of dawn, wove her whispers till the daylight was gone. Every strand was cold and thin, like the shadow of the warmth we send. I don't weave to wear, I weave to keep her near, to let her voice hang soft inside the air. sighs into every scene. Now I wear what used to dream. Each thread hums her melody's ghost. Each tear burns like the words she spoke. The sea still calls where we once played, but only the cold remembers her name. I stitched her breath through the dying blue. Now it's my soul the wind sings through. I don't weave to wear, I weave to stay alive, to feel a pulse through the threads that survive. When the storm tears the sky, when the night turns to stone, the cold breeze of bed, and I'm not alone. There's blood on the needle, salt in the flame. I built my altar out of a name, and if the dawn forgets a tune, I'll hum it under the dying moon. I don't weave to wear, I weave to forgive. So her ghost in me still dares to live. When the cold starts to sink, I close my eyes and dance with the sound of a love that never dies. You stand where the earth runs out of breath, edge of the world, flirting with death. The sun's too far, the ground's too near. Every heartbeat sounds like fear. You lift your arm, throw us left of your shape, and watch your ghost lead through the haze. You don't want wings,
You don't want wings,
you don't want grace,
you don't want grace.
you just wanna leave a mark in space. You don't fall to fly, you fall to know if your shadow can rise before you go. Light don't heal what dark unmade, but damn, it shows the shape you gave. You don't fall to flee the pain, you fall to prove you're still human. The cliff hums low, a preacher's hum. Sermons call where echoes come. Your name dissolves in wind and smoke, like a prayer that never spoke. You laugh beneath the breaking sky, 'cause even ruin dares to try. You don't want saving,
You don't want dawn,
you don't want dawn,
you don't want dawn.
you just want proof.